Before I decided to go to that program, I had bought a drone off the shelf at Best Buy where I was working. And much like all of you guys probably, or a lot of you guys today, think about drones as a gimmick. Like, why do I want a drone? Why would I need a drone? I'm not a photographer, videographer. All they do are take photos and videos. Like, whoop-de-doo, who cares, right? I was much in that same way back late 2015, early 2016. And then I got into the drone program, realized this isn't just the future of aviation, this is really the future of the world. And the real big impetus for that was one other student that was like ahead of the learning curve, so to speak, going into the drone program, where I was one of the only 2 students with a drone going into the drone program. He was the only one that had already actually done his work building his own drones. And he was also showing me the software program where he sent like one of those flying camera drones to a nearby construction site, was able to map it out with an automated mission. So the drone was flying up and down, 200 feet or so above the construction site, automatically capturing photos. Let's say for this site about 500 photos. You stitch all those photos together into a one-to-one 3D map or 3D model of that construction site. And now from a computer, anyone can get one-to-one scale measurements, they can detect damage, they can mark it up and say, hey, this is where we need to have one crew one day versus another crew and other equipment the next day. And again, it really just makes the world more accessible by, instead of having to have boots on the ground, to do that sort of management or get that sort of information, you can all do so, remotely from the comfort of your computer, thanks to, off the shelf, just flying camera.